It's so cold!
Tonight, I'm drinking from the bottle.
No! Oh my god!
Wanna get away, yeah. Wanna get away now. 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 Wanna get away now.
Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cornwall. Day 3?
Day 3, yeah.
Day 3. We've kind of gotten ready, to be fair.
Yeah.
We booked a train, but it got cancelled, so we were going on a later train that's at a different place. And yeah, I'm
Eating a crumpet.
Steph's eating a crumpet, classic. I've gone for, I don't think we showed you, but we bought the pink rice, is it rice? They're Rice Krispies, which is, oh, Cocoa Pops, which are strawberry and white chocolate flavour. So I'm gonna try that now. I'll give you a little taste test, see what I think.
Yeah.
I'm not sure. They don't even look that pink anymore. Like, the milk hasn't gone that pink, and it's not really. It's okay, but I'd rather have either a Cocoa Pop or a Rice Krispie.
It's like an in-between.
It's like, it's strawberry. It's just a bit meh. Not my favourite.
That's why I went safe. I was like, I'm too scared.
Steph went safe.
I'm not.
We're driving to the train station to go to St Ives. We've got a driver over here,
Oh, God.
Stephanie. Yeah, apparently the train's quite cute. Is it?
Oh, it's not the train, it's the view.
Oh, the view, not the train.
Is it an old train?
No, it's just a
Oh, it's a normal train.
It's a normal train,
For some reason I
but
thought it was a steam train.
you like go along the coast and it's like a cute view. So we'll see what that's like.
See.
They do offer stay made it every year.
We are on the station. We're at the station. We're waiting for the train. We're very early actually.
So what was it over there? It's £5 I think it's £5.
Mine
Yeah, we're at the station. That's Chloe. Yeah, this is Hale train station, you know.
We said that about 5 times.
Look, Hale. Yeah, waiting for the train.
Waiting for the train.
Waiting for the train.
Then we're gonna go to St Ives and we're gonna have a fun day out.
What are we gonna do?
I don't know. We're gonna look in some shops
And have some.
and have some coffee, maybe.
And have some cake.
Don't know.
What else? Should we do an outfit of the day?
Oh, we could do an OOTD.
Okay, let's start with you.
Okay, we'll start with me. What am I wearing? I've got some rings on. These are, I've got some Tiffany Pandora classic, which is my
There's the
Costco
rings.
and then we'll start up here. So I've got my classic Chanel shades on with my little granny chain that I love.
Yeah.
Some hoop earrings,
Lovely.
Tiffany necklace. I've got this dress on that is, it's long sleeve, it's from Zara. I absolutely love this dress. It gives me like Zimmerman vibes, that's what I like about it.
Yeah.
Quite cute.
It's cute.
Good old Zara. I do love a bit of Zara. Then I've got this little cardigan on from H&M.
Lovely.
Cute. I've got my little Burberry bag.
Lovely.
And then down here I've got
Classic.
my little cream Coach trainers on.
Oh, is this the train?
I think, is that the No.
No.
Okay, so that's my OOTD. Okay.
I've got some hoop earrings in. I think these are from
Love
ASOS.
them. I will say, I like them.
Yeah, and then I've just got my classic other earrings and they're from Accessorize. And then these glasses are actually from Primark.
Oh, nice. So nice.
Yes, and then I've got this cardigan from Sainsbury's.
Oh,
Classic Sainsbury's.
classic Sainsbury's. They do a good thing.
And then
Oh,
top is
this
from
top is
Zara.
lovely. Look at
It's
the
got a
edges.
little
That
edge.
gives me Zimmerman vibes.
Zimmerman vibes.
Yeah, it's like a Zimmerman vibe top. Yeah.
Yes, and then I've got this little necklace.
Oh, I love that
I think
necklace
this
as
is
well.
from ASOS as well, actually.
Yeah, very pretty.
And then this skirt is from Zara.
Yeah, it's got a little slit down the side.
cheeky little
Yeah,
slit,
and it's like a floral print. It's really nice.
Yeah, really
It's kind of like a sateen.
Satiny.
Yeah, it's really
And
nice.
then I've just got my trainers. These are from Topshop.
Cute. And what about your bag?
And my bag is
The classic. What is it? Is it
Bag.
Versace? Not Versace. Valentino.
Valentino,
But not, you know, the
Valentino.
Mark Valentino.
That's it. That's the outfit.
That's the outfits of the day. Peace. We're on the train, the one that goes to St Ives, from St Ives, St Ives, on the platform. So yeah, apparently it's supposed to be a really good view. We have arrived in St Ives. It's so pretty. It is. We've only just seen like the little bit. The train was
a really
so
good
cute.
idea.
Definitely recommend.
that because the view was just
Amazing.
And parking at St Ives is rubbish anyway, so
Yeah. So yeah, we are on the route
heading in
to St Ives.
Oh, listen, honey, if I told you about the way that I felt, yeah, I wouldn't waste a minute if I had you all to myself. We'd be walking in the moonlight, staying up till sunrise. Baby, you can let your walls come down. We'd be dancing in the corner, sleeping on my shoulder. You can come and have it all with me, if you want it, baby. If you got it bad like I got it bad for you. If you got it bad like I got it bad for you.
Hello.
Hello.
So we're in St Ives.
yeah, I do like the cheese and onion.
Steph's got a. What have you got? Oh, we had a bit of a boo-boo.
I've actually got an oats caramel iced coffee.
Even though she just ordered an iced coffee.
I didn't ask for the oat.
She didn't ask for the oat. I asked for an oat caramel latte, and unfortunately I got a normal milk caramel latte.
Good.
Oh, it's a good caramel coffee. Yeah.
I don't like coffee.
You like it?
I love it. Can't put me ice in it.
Maybe they didn't put
You've got that one.
I've got that one. Because iced coffee doesn't
Cheers the coffee. Cheersing the coffee. So this is it. This is the little cute little cafe.
what this cafe is called, but
What's this cafe called, guys? BCB.
Beach Cafe Bar. Yeah, BCB Beach
Cafe Bar.
Would recommend.
And it's really cute here.
Oh yeah.
So yeah, that is what we are doing.
Or BM.
Cornish dialect translator.
Yeah, that looks nice. Little shop. It's just so busy you can't really see anything. We're walking down the high street now. Well, we're not really stopping in any shops, but we're looking for a pasty because I think it'd be quite nice to have a little pasty for lunch. Oh, there's cars coming. It's a very busy, dangerous street, but yeah.
That's it though, isn't it?
Oh, have they not made any more? Have they sold out?
They just
We got our pasties. Right. Like a mukbang. It's starting to rain, so that's great. We got a, what is this, a vegan wholemeal?
wholemeal vegan.
I don't know what the place was called, but we got some vegan of it, so you might have seen it. It's actually really nice. I'm just absolutely starving. I just needed something. We're looking for a pack-a-mac. We went into the Mountain Warehouse.
Yeah, we're gonna find a pack-a-mac.
Hopefully we're gonna find a pack-a-mac.
There's a few people staring. This is the current situation, guys. It's quite a busy street, so I'll move along. Gosh. Hang on.
So, it's chucking it down.
So we both purchased a coat from a charity shop. This one was £6. It's alright.
It's got quite a nice lining, yours, to be fair.
Got a bit of a pink lining. And then George has now got... She belongs to the St Ives school.
I'm from the St. Who gives their old school clothes to a charity shop?
Well, it served us well.
It did serve us well. This was only £4.
It's a bit wet. We're about to go on the boat ride.
We're about to go on a boat ride, so...
We just thought it'd be good to get a hood.
Yeah, we needed a
wet
hood.
clothes.
We've also got ponchos that we can put
We've
over
also
the
got
top.
ponchos, so we're prepped for the wet weather. We also have raincoats at home that we just chose.
We
not to
literally have raincoats at home we could have brought with us.
bring. I'm excited. Here we are, ready? We're going on this.
This is the one we're going on.
I don't know if you can see it. Sorry, bad camera skills. Yeah, Seals Island trips. And we're going along here. Oh, there's our friends. They've got their ponchos on. There's the ponchos.
Well, it's about to get worse.
It's about to get worse, guys. Hopefully we see some seals, otherwise this is all for nothing. Oh no!
I'm really sorry, it's too much to get up there.
Oh no! It's cancelled.
Refund of it here.
Oh, thank
It's 100, wasn't it?
George, I've got a school coat for nothing. Lunch break's over. What a nightmare.
Yeah, I will do.
You get a bonus. I feel like I want money. Let me show Steph.
To be fair, I think yours, because of the pink lining, I think it doesn't look as bad. Oh, they're matching with the umbrella. That was a fail. We literally were running around trying to find coat. We were literally running around here for 5 minutes to get a coat. And now we're not even going. And I'm literally a school kid.
Oh, I like that.
What?
Cornwall weather slate.
If string moves, windy. If string stiff, icy.
If string casts a shadow, sunny.
String is wet, raining. String is white, snowing. If string is smoking, hot. If string is missing, someone's nicked it.
I like that. That's
funny.
really cool. So we don't live in Cornwall.
No.
A lovely mermaid and a grumpy old crab live here. Lovely mermaid and a grumpy old crab.
Oh my god, that's
You should
so
actually get that.
I don't know where we'd put it though.
No.
That'd be so funny though.
all
Oh
these
yeah, the
cute
crab's cute.
Rather be in Cornwall. I like that.
Oh, I like that. I like these actually. They're really pretty, aren't they?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
They're
Like a
really
nice
cute.
colour.
I wonder if you can see it on camera.
Does it come across? It's sort of like
Like almost like a pinky, like
yeah, like a
peachy.
pinky peachy with a little bit of like sea foam.
We're going into Rolly's fudge pantry because apparently they've got really good fudge.
Good fudge.
Also, tell the vlog.
Oh, I'll tell you a fun little story. How I got spotted.
We're doing this in the middle of the street. Okay.
What?
Just carry on.
We went into a shop, and as we were, the lady that was like in the shop went, "Oh, are you from St Ives school?" And I went, "Oh," and she went, "Oh, my daughter's in her 2nd year."
So we had to pretend
So
that
we were
Georgia
like,
went to
"Oh,
St Ives
yeah."
school.
So we pretended that I went to St Ives. I was so trying so hard
Not to laugh.
And she was
I
like,
was
"Oh,
trying.
just have to isolate," and we were going, "Oh dear, that's."
And then we just left pretty
We
swiftly.
just left because we were almost missing ourselves. I don't know. I feel like people were looking at me.
Like, why is she wearing her school coat?
Do I know her? Did I go to school with them?
Okay. Wow.
I do like sea salt.
Sea salt, that's what I'm thinking.
I do like butterscotch. I do like vanilla buttercream.
Honeycomb sounds nice.
Honeycomb sounds nice. I quite like to look at like salted milk pecan. I got Champion. So you got a thing.
Champion 2017, that got gold.
Okay, so it's still chucking it down outside. Yeah, we've come to a pub. We've come to the Rum and Crab Shack, which apparently does really good rum. Yeah, I don't normally have rum, but well, we're in a rum and crab shop, so might as well try the rum. For a pint of beer, so you've gone non-rum. But It's just way raining. I felt like a DM. I don't know why. Anyway, I'm also so hungry. Look at my hair. I reckon literally my hood is apparently not waterproof. Yeah. Anyway, we're gonna drink our drink when it gets in. Oh, he left me hanging.
Just now.
I was gonna do a thumb. Oh, I was gonna do a thumb. Do either. The drinks have a. Oh, sorry, Steph's trying to take photos of the drinks. Okay, I've got a berry daiquiri. It's very sweet. It's nice. I'm a bit of a boy today. Steph's been the boy of the group. She's got the pint. Who'd have ever thought I'd got Chloe's got the nicest looking drinks. Let me show you her drinks. I wanted this. I saw this can and I was like, I want this. Is it gonna focus? Oh, there we go. Yeah, look how cute these are. I wish I'd got one of these. Probably wouldn't like. I probably wouldn't like the flavour. I just like the look of it. Oh, I like it. Yeah. So we're gonna try off with our bevies and then yeah. Oh my god. This is cool. We're going along, it's very wet, it's very cold. We're trying to find the train station. Oh, it's so cold! This is the situation with Lucy. We're having fun, we're great. We're under the umbrella. They're not waiting happy for the train. They're all complaining, but they're not complaining. I didn't feel much time. I'm not even complaining, but I didn't sound unhappy. I'm really complaining.
You would know if I was unhappy.
Abby's complaining. Abby's not happy.
Abby's not happy. Abby's never happy.
I'm really unhappy.
It's a rare occasion to see Abby happy.
But yeah. Going strong. Right, we made it on the train. School trip went well. School trip successful. We're sitting in a not in use booth, which we've been breaking the rules. What are you saying? They're taking the piss.
They're taking the piss out of me for being in school again.
For being in school. So yeah, we sat on a dirty tissue.
Well, no, Abby sat on it. I sat on Conceal's hair. I don't want to look at it. It is hair.
Look at it.
It's hair and some sort of white substance. But I was forced to sit here anyway.
She sat here and there's like a million seats. We were like, sit down, sit down, stop complaining, sit down. So we're all here, we're all ready to go home.
We might get a takeaway or try and find somewhere to eat. Depends on what.
Yeah.
A lot of the places are booked up. Oh.
Yeah, we'll find somewhere to eat or we'll get a takeaway. Either one.
Either way, I just need to get myself sorted or in order, you know. Hello. This is the current situation. Ooh. Okay. We're I don't know what to say. Okay, so we're back. We're back. We're gonna pop on some comfy clothes. Oh, sorry. What's going on? We're back. We're a bit wet. Oh, we look weird. We're gonna put some comfy clothes on. I'm gonna put my glasses on. Specifically, I'm going to put my glasses on, guys. Just to warn you. I'm gonna put my comfy clothes on. We're just gonna have a chill evening. We've all decided we're gonna have to order a takeaway. We're gonna order takeout. We're gonna just have some drinks, put a film on. Do a face mask, have a girly night in. Because that day, oh yeah, play some more games. That day took it out of me. Oh, I'm knackered. Honestly, I'm knackered. Flash to comfy clothes. Should we do like a little or something? Oh or yeah. Should we go? Then it flips over. I think. Or should we jump? Oh yeah, maybe do that. I always want us to do that. Okay. What, like? It's gonna look shit. We're gonna try something new, okay? We'll see how it looks. We're gonna do a jump. Probably shit. Right, so ready? We're gonna change from this to comfy.
I don't think that looked good. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Okay. Steph's fallen onto the sofa. Well done. We got into the comps. Oh. It's just. Oh my god. You just strike a whale. Oh, great. Or a seal. I'm just a whale. Great. Like a beached whale.
Oh, lovely. That's a great compliment.
There's lemonade. It's everywhere. Here we are, everybody.
They're laughing at us. Just excuse my grandma glasses.
Just excuse my appearance.
Should we start with our snapped earrings?
Yeah.
Right. This came in this really cute box. That's what I like the best. Oh my god! I didn't even know they came in a cute box. I thought it was a cardboard box when she put it in there.
I knew.
So that's the little cute box.
That's the cute box. Then she wrapped them up. Okay, and here they are.
Instead of matching tattoos, we got matching earrings with little waves.
Oh, I don't know how to show these.
Like this. Hey, there we go. Hey, this is the earring.
Last time it did that to me, so I don't know.
And yeah, I just put mine in.
Got them in.
So it looks like that. What do you think?
Oh my god! What was that? Oh my god! I just shut myself. It was a lolly. Oh, it was a lolly. Someone threw that at us. Oh my god!
These were like the memes of
Sorry, it wasn't my lollipop.
Oh, that's okay. Right, oh my god, that really scared me.
That scared me too. But these are the stems. Do you like them?
Yeah, I really like them. That's nice. Oh yeah, they're so cute.
Yeah?
Yeah, I like them.
Yeah, we always wanted to get a matching wave tattoo, but we've never really got round to it.
Yeah, so we've got matching wave earrings.
To remind us of our time in St Ives / Hale. We got some fudge from Rowley's Fudge because it's really
From
good.
Rudy's fudge. How very posh.
Rowley's Fudge shit. I'm just trying a bit of vanilla. It's really
I'm gonna
good.
try this one.
My favourite
That's better.
is the salted, and they literally gave me the tiniest little bit. Well, this is nice. This must be the pecan.
That's the pecan. That's before you put it in there. We have to taste that one at the same time because
This is the champion winner.
yeah.
It was when you went.
That's the same one.
It's not fun. That's what I'm putting forward.
It's nice.
It's just like normal fudge.
It's a bit anticlimactic.
It's nice.
It's nice.
We're never good. We're never.
Oh, I got a bit of nut. Oh, it's nice with a bit of nut.
Oh, that's what she said.
Who doesn't love a bit of nut?
I love a bit of nut in
people
their fudge.
They would get flying, butterflies too much.
We're about to eat a curry now.
We're gonna eat curry now, so we should probably stop the fudge.
Anyway, yeah, so we're gonna get some curry. See you when we get the curry and pick a movie. The curry has arrived. We're about to tuck in now.
We're about to tuck in. I've got
Looks
a
delicious.
onion bhaji. Love an onion bhaji.
What curry is this?
Cry.
Cry.
I've never tried it, but
We'll find out. Oh, I'm scared about my eyes. Chloe. I'm shielding my face.
Stop, I can't even.
Stop it so stressed.
Just go.
Do you think this is a sensible place to do it?
It won't do anything, honestly. It won't. So you've got a hand on it, so someone's going to go.
Chloe knows what she's doing.
I'll be fine, will you all stop?
Like that.
Oh, yeah, I didn't think about that.
that's what Steph was talking about.
Just go, what happens if it all pours out? She was literally saying it.
Did I get any on the sofa? No. I thought you were all stressed that I was going to throw it at Lucy's face. I was
It's
like,
not. Okay, well.
Harry.
excuse me, you were all stressing me out. You acted as if I was going to aim it at Lucy's face.
Oh,
Oh yeah, get get the crisps out.
Did I get any on the sofa? Did anyone get hit? What?
Got the crisps. She's being weird. It's like a goat.
Tonight, I'm drinking from the bottle.
No.
Except she's not. Steph is adamant we've had this before and it was really good.
I buy it all the time.
This is what is it?
It's this one actually.
Martini, rosé, medium dry. Is it nice?
No, I don't think it's this one.
She's backtracking now.
She's
I've had
backtracking.
this
Not this
all
one.
the time.
Not this one.
All the time.
All the time.
Amazing.
No, not this one.
I think I'd do my job.
I like it. I like it. Yeah, it's really nice. It's really good. I think it's more than drinkable. I would say it's nice.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Anyway, thumbs up for that. And oh yeah, use your foot this time.
Okay, no, you can't sleep in the strawberries.
And then we've got Hustlers on the TV, which I've never seen before, but Steph loves it, so we'll enjoy this video. Never gonna happen, Steph. So we have finished for the night. We watched Hustlers. What did you think? It was really good. I actually really enjoyed it.
I've seen it a lot.
You've seen it loads, but it was quite a fun film. So yeah, we've got another fun-filled day tomorrow. Hopefully, fingers crossed, the weather stays good because we're potentially going surfing. Potentially going surfing, but it depends on yeah, if it rains or
depends
not.
on the circumstances.
I'm really puffed out because I ran upstairs.
Yes, so
I feel like creepy.
the tiki
Just
man.
like the tiki man in the background.
Yeah, so we are gonna go to bed now. That's about it.
No, because that's this vlog
for the
ended.
night. Yes, so if you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to check out our other videos and give us a subscribe. And we will see you
In the next one. Bye.